Dancehall artist Alkaline is set to make history on Saturday, March 21st, 2026 as New Rules Brooklyn takes over Barclays Center.
A few moments later.
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
Go on. I don't know anything set, you know. Yeah, man, I want Media Fox. Yo, people. You see New Rules in Brooklyn, Barclays Center. It not go normal. I tell you, people. You see Vendetta girl them. Yo, I don't know. I don't feel like them girl live on the earth, you know. That's some different set of girl, me I tell you people. You see it? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I tell you, say Barclays are go loud. I tell you, it are go loud. People, may I tell you, it's going to be a history moment in a Barclays. May I tell you, it's going to be a history moment. You see where Alkaline doing a New Rules UK? Right. Yo, may I tell you, it a got ton of people. It a got ton of. Remember, you know, make sure you get no tickets. Don't wait till the last moment, you know. Because them a move like hot bread. You understand? Yeah, man, I don't know a thing set. But look at now. You don't know when Alkaline are the man, you know. You see it. Them just can't hide it. So look at now. You with the Gaza man, you say. Because you don't know, them rate Alkaline, you know. Yeah, man, them rate Alkaline, man. Under quiet, I just undercover fans, you see it.
On Saturday, March 23rd, dancehall artist Alkaline is set to make history on Saturday, March 23rd. Dancehall artist Alkaline is set to make history on Saturday, March 21st, 2026 as New Rules Brooklyn takes over Barclays Center. This is Alkaline's first ever arena headline show in the United States. Now, we have seen dancehall artists touch Barclays Center before, even Alkaline himself, but never for his own festival. So this time, the Vendetta boss is bringing his own brand, his own movement, touch, you know what I mean, and his own energy straight to New York City. And the Vendetta fans, I know they have been waiting for this. This is a major move for their artists. This is a major move for Alkaline and for dancehall. Ticket pre-sale Wednesday, December 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Pre-sale code Reggae Fest. General sale Thursday, December 11th at 10 a.m. Tickets available at reggaefest.com and barclayscenter.com. So definitely go and check out, you know what I mean, and get your tickets, and also Ticketmaster. So New Rules is officially touching down in Brooklyn. You see me? Dancehall.
Yeah, man. So I don't know a thing set. No a thing no normal. So we see a brother forward out. You what must say, you see it?
Concert is coming up, right? And in all honesty, I just know this man is gonna play a lot of foreign style music that mostly foreigners know. But hey, there's one song I want this dude to play. Definitely Ocean Waves. Definitely Things Take Time. There's so much more things I want him to display on that concert for sure, because I want to go there to have fun, because that concert is gonna be from 7 to 8 to 9. I'm not even sure as long as this, because the last time I went to Vice Cartel concert, it started at 10 o'clock. No. 10:30, not 10:30, 9:30, and finished at 11. I think I'm lying. I think it was 8:30. But either way, bro, please play some old school music. Things Take Time, Ocean Wave, definitely Black on Delete, definitely. So,
yeah, man, people, but yeah, man, I'll go through all of them songs, man. A mad thing. You see it? I tell you. But you don't know if Vendetta girls are always outside, you see it? Yo, me not tell you like, the Vendetta people, them out, you know. Yeah, man, the Vendetta people, them out, man, me I tell you. Yo, when the Vendetta fans them, yo, me I tell you, know, it a go be one choir in the arena, you know, people. Me I tell you, know. Yo, people, you have to just look on the energy. Yo, look there. Either things say Michael Jackson perform, you just see beat. Look on the phone them. Yo, the people them not take down the phone, you know. Yeah, man, the people them all when some people in a. Yo, that's how me some artists that talk about your phone light and phone light, brother. Me have to laugh. The people them not take down the phone because then some say, yo, me no know when me I go see Alkaline again, you know. So yo, phones all up. You see it, watch your people. Yo, people, man, nah lie now. You know, say, when me a scream record that clip, yo, dog, Alkaline have heard from far, you know, people. Yo, if you see that youth at 10 years, you can say basically 10 years the youth gone, you know. Yeah, in boss about 13 years now, but me I say, yo, a decade, it make it for a decade, bro. And if you see the impact of the youth set in a dancehall, in a just a decade, people. And enough artists do that in a them first 10 years in a them career. You understand? And for see, the youth in own a show. Yo, this the normal, you know. Me I tell you, you know. Yo, that's why you say, yo, everything I gonna make sense soon. Me I tell you, everything I gonna make sense soon. And see it, you know. When Barclays forward, I know nothing normal. Me I tell you, I know nothing normal when Barclays forward. Cause look, you know. When Alkaline starts singing some song, you know, yo, it rotted. Yo, it gonna be a historical moment. Yeah, man. It gonna be a historical moment. You see it? Yo, just look what I go on, people. But that video, yeah, it just show me say, yo, the youth, yeah, I come do something in a dance hall where I go, yo, this I go open up some people eyes. You understand? You see, soon after these people, that's why my youth sing him song and say, yo, pick on the side, you know. Cause enough of them are go up on the youth wagon. You understand? Enough of them are go switch. You go hear people start say Vendetta. May I tell you? Because him alone out of the young generation, we make them big moves here in a dancehall. You understand? But trust me, you that video, yeah, man, it tough. May I tell you, it tough. Like the energy alone, I just a superstar level. Yeah, man, me I tell you people, I know nothing normal. The youth a do it. Me I tell you, the youth a do it. Yo, people, me I tell you enough artists were bust from around 2012, 2013, no people. And enough of them no make it, you know, in a 2026, you know, people. Enough of them no make it. And it's like, yo, the youth fan base just a grow. Me I tell you, the youth fan base just a grow, people. And you see that youth, yeah? Me no know. You just set him thing away where, yo, it's like, him perform anywhere him go, you just can't get tired because the brother not in the media and all of them look at thing there. Anything the youth do, he just set the trend. You understand? Him a leader of the young generation. Yeah, man. Him a the leader of the young generation, Alkaline. May I tell you that, people, and I want normal thing. So, when we see some little thing and some people are talking at the media, people, I have to just laugh. You see it? I have to just laugh, man, cause it shows say, yo, the youth just, man, the man just make the thing look easy, dog. May I tell you? The man just make the thing look easy, bro. The man, if you're an artist where just stay to himself, him not do media, enough people that say, yo, him not interact and all of them look a thing there. And I say, brother, some of the time, I should not understand how the superstar thing work. Remember, you know, and the Alkaline move, so you have artists overseas, big, do them look a thing, yeah. Yeah, he might take picture with 1 and 2 people, yes. But the thing is that sometimes when you're up on a certain level, you just not gonna have no time. You see it, you work with timing. You see me? And sometimes you can't make too much of something, brother. Like you have to make in a life, you have to make people crave for something. Make people, yo, I can't, picture this, that. You have to make, you can't make just give away everything. So like 100 people there, so you can't take picture with the 100 people. You understand? Sometimes you have to make some people all wait for y'all years, man. So you have to do it. Make people always want forward that avenue there, forward over there, so. You understand? The youth are do it. I tell you, the youth are do it. I tell you, and if in 2026, remember, the youth, him just by himself, I create that impact in a way where, yo, when the man go up and fly, you don't know that show they not gonna, the energy alone. Yo, let me tell you, man. If Vendetta fans them not play when they forward to them artists. You see them artists, them not play. Yo, I tell you, so they will quote every line and use that line the out of the artist song and insert it in them life. You understand? Become a different person or, and you see them we do one video now and our line an Alkaline song. You see it? Alkaline dropping music, them a bite. You see me? Alkaline the other show ya. Imagine, some of the time, people, imagine if you're a youth, when him not too in the media and all of them look at thing there. Sometimes you wonder how people just remember, you have some artists out there, we're in the media. Not for them. We're in the media. Seeing every day. Them dip on live, them seeing. But it's like them still now get the energy what Alkaline get. Although them interact with them fans on the media. You see it. Them a post this, them a post video when them there. So every little thing them a do. You see me? But it's like Alkaline just do him thing. Yeah, Alkaline will take picture with 1 and 2 fans, But yo, you have to look if you see them man there. You understand? You have to look. When you get a picture, let me tell you. When you get a picture with Alkaline, see, especially when the Vendetta girl them get a picture of them. Yo, that I put up on their wall, Cause look here. Them don't know when them are go ever forget a next picture again. You understand? Yeah, man, cause if them yo, let me tell you this. Alkaline are the artists when me see them create AI. Yo, the girl them not play dog. The girl them create AI with Alkaline. For sure, yo. The girl them create an AI with Alkaline. Using picture for like them take a picture with him or them a hold on pan him for sure, you dog. When you see girl them have to go for AI. So imagine the girl them actually get a real picture with him. I don't know normal. Them not sleep. You tell them would as well take all the picture there and frame it. Yeah, man, that I go over them bedded. You see me? Or put it on them just beside them as them wake. And them are Alkaline them see. Now play with the Vendetta girl them. You see it? Yeah, man, cause you don't know. Vendetta boss. You know. Him do it for him girls, Vendetta girls them. I tell them, as me say them girls come like and I hurt them live pan. Are some different species. You see me? Well, I thought. I tell you so. People, one of them thing there, you see it. You have to just know, say, yo, Barclays are go loud. I tell you that. Barclays are go loud, people. I go loud. Yeah, man. I go loud, people. So, you have to just look into it in a way where just know, say, yo, the Vendetta boss I got always do him thing, you see me? And I just him that. I got always do him thing. Different. See me? People are going to forward and support him because look, the youth keep a neutral demand. You see me? It just always look like you just a see him. Because so he move. The man not take bookings. The man they will take bookings. You right, yeah, so. This year. Nobody thinks that in the same year you're going to see him take a next bookings, right? No. Different year. I'm going to saw him deal with him thing. You understand? And that enough artists not have because them want it everywhere. And I know say, yo, 90% of them artists, yeah, seeing, if you ask them, enough of them are gonna say, yo, them never see Alkaline in real life. You understand? Yo, Alkaline are only dancehall artist who me hear people fall out and say, yo, them never see Alkaline yet. Even him co-worker them. I say, yo, it's, you know, the dance others are, some of them say, yo, me never see them man there yet. Enough people, them never see Alkaline yet. Them no book up them man there no way. You understand? Sometimes you wonder how them man there, yo, get groceries and all of them. Yo, the man just move like a superstar, dog. And yo, I don't know. The youth, for him forward in the music, him vision, him success. You understand? Him know the level where he want to carry him career. Because yo, the man have a team, the dog. Man have a team, I tell you. You see him sister? And I'm nothing normal. Kerry. Yo, and a joke thing, people, may I tell you, man. The man team na normal. You see it? Na normal people. So, when you don't know, Barclays, March 21st, it a go loud. That, yeah man, it a go stamp in a dancehall, man. Yo, that a go be talk about. A lot of things a go on. A lot of things a go said. And it a go change a lot of narratives as well. You understand? Yeah, it a go stamp in a dancehall, man. I tell you. Youth a do it. Alkaline. Yeah, man, I do it, man. You see it, but people, I don't know, you know. I want media facts, you know. And I know the thing said. You see me? That is it.